Matt fires up the rocket scooter. Run his way to get some cooter. Taking trades while you're getting nades. You on stream looking like you flunked 4th grade. Your other trader's strategy is sniffing paint. Man, your trades whack and they stink. Turn on your stream and got a whiff of taint. Edge pressure, I wait for the trades to come to me. Or more like edge pressure. I go hard at half gap. I go harder at LP. Might bet the house if price is DD. You other traders PP. I would spark a blunt, but I got high BP. Watch this, I call this the Arby's trade. Might fuck around and make 10K. What's that? Oh, pickle and iDoc here to stay. Pet pickle, oh yeah, pickle fur, so soft. You other traders, trade soft. Here's a blue chew, hope the market flushes you, cause you doo-doo.
All right, guys, what is up? Welcome to the afternoon stream. Hang tight for a second here.
Boot camp coming up soon, better be ready. Speaking of coming, iDoc's back, sub-doc, no Bugs Bunny. You make my tummy feel funny. All the lunch and green juice a man could ever need. Makes me real strong, Matty Hercules. Man, your trades whack and they stink. Turn on your stream and got a whiff of taint. Hedge pressure, I wait for the trades to come to me. Hedge pressure,
All right, guys. Ooh, lower DD band. We're good. We're good. We're good.
I go harder at LP. Might bet the house if
Ooh,
price is
I got out that MHP long pretty quick.
I would spark a blunt, but I got high BP.
All right, let's see what we got here. Hold on.
Watch this, I call
Oh, my bad.
Arby's trade. Might fuck around and make 10K. What's the pickle and iDoc here to stay? Pet pickle, oh yeah, pickle fur, so
Welcome, guys, back to the stream.
traders, trade soft.
Biggest, best stream ever.
Hope the market
Because you guys, y'all are so awesome.
you do.
All right, MHP, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Speaking of coming, iDoc's back.
I mean, sorry, DD band.
Bugs Bunny, you make my tummy feel funny. All the lunch and green juice a man
All right.
could ever need.
Last time DD band. Let's go. Is market crashing out today? Or is this our nice little long that we want? Is this the one, man? Wow. I love that song. All right, now we need the fan for reals, for realsies. Okay, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the stream. We'll be doing our giveaway bonanza in just a little bit. All right, one more time. I swear, dude, I'm like... All right. We got a lot of stuff to give away. We might have to continue all the giveaways over the next couple of days because there's like so much we got to give away. Did FundedX make me do an interview for the funded account? No. Are they making you do an interview right now? Are any of you being asked to do an interview right now? Nobody? Okay. Malik, bro, like I was gonna give you a free account, like, you know, I spend like $100,000 equivalent on, I mean, I give away 100,000 of salary so I can get 100,000 worth of accounts. I give away free shit all the time, but you blew your chance, man. I was gonna give you a free account. I was gonna hook you up, dude. We're cool here. Like, we're cool on this stream. We hook you guys up all the time. It'd just be cool if you didn't interrupt the show. Like, you know, like on my Fun and Futures, I get it. You guys have your beef or whatever with the contest or whatever. But at least on my segment, y'all be cool with me. You know what I mean? I'm cool with you guys. Always hook you guys up. I hook you guys up, so I'm cool. Like, I'm cool, all right? All right. Maybe DD Band will be the trade today, right? I'm back in. I grabbed 2 at lower DD Band, which is good.
No tweets, no CPI, just a breeze and trades that fly. Traders chant like a sacred clan. Spin it up.
All right. You the best. Oh, thank you, Sarah. I appreciate you. All right. This trade is gonna make an absolute boat toad. Influx the boat toad images. All right. I don't even know if I can draw a toad. This is supposed to be a toad, you guys. I can't draw for shit. Here's his webbed feet. I don't know what the hell I'm drawing here. And he's actually a boat at the same time. Everybody has a boat toad. That's the biggest problem you have with a boat. If you don't have a good boat toad, your boat's not any good. That's a bear. I think it looks like a bear. Yeah. It's a hot dog. We're gonna make a boat toad of money today. All right. We need one more. We need the Don't Die Today song because this is where the market's dying. So right, you guys, I took the hedge pressure long and MHP was really good. It should have held, but we lost. I got all the way quick. You guys know the drill. We fell like I closed at 20. We fell another 100 points and I'm back in a DD band, so it's good. Let's see if that's the place.
Rockets fast, scooters slow. Will we bounce? Nobody knows. Greater market starts to turn.
All right, I've got.
Even Pickle has a look of concern.
Even Pickle has a look of concern. Oh, that's funny. I took those losses in this account and my Fund and Next account. I longed in 3 more of them, and so I took that loss in 4 accounts. So I'm actually going to try to get those back today at DD. We'll see how it works out. Should be good here. Yesterday we had the biggest afternoon stream we've ever had, which is incredible. 5,000 views in the afternoon. That's the first time we ever did it. We were averaging 3,000 to 4,000. I really appreciate this community, man. You guys are making it really awesome for us. So I just negotiated with some of my partners, and I'm negotiating with everybody this month for next month. Or more, as much giveaway as I can give away. And I just got Funded Next to approve. We used to give away 10 Funded Next accounts a month. And instead of 10, we're getting 60 a month now to give away at Funded Next. My Funded Futures, I'm gonna ask them for a huge bump up as well. That way we can be doing, like, instead, you know, this is what I tell people. For my thing is I like to see you guys out there crushing these prop firms. It's really hard. And, you know, they're designed to squeeze you guys and take your money. But the better the chance you guys get, the better. And I like to make my splash in this industry by hooking you guys up as much as I can, so. All right, guys. Hit the like, yep. Okay, hold on. Giveaway Bonanza continues today. Hold on. Today we're still giving away 42 boot camps to give away. 5 MFU scale. 2 funded nexts. And the Tradeify and the Lifetime, let's do those tomorrow. Oh wait, we got ETFs tomorrow. I want to do when more people are there because Tradeify straight to funded is a great program. Giveaway at 900 viewers. Market, please don't die today. You guys with the AI music, dude, it's so funny, man. Y'all have given me so many awesome songs with this AI music. What is this one? Blast Off Rocket Scooter. If possible, Lifetime today. The thing is that with Lifetime, you're not. That's the hard part. Somebody's always on vacation all the times. I have to do it when more people are here. And this morning I didn't get a chance to do it because we ran out of time. The giveaways are becoming like more and more. There's more and more people. And I planned poorly. That was my bad. I need to do it when there's more people here. So I'll do it. I have to do it tomorrow morning, man. I'm sorry you're on vacation. But there's always gonna be somebody that says that, you know. This sounds like Resport. Yeah, I don't even know what this song was. Hold on. Okay. That's not the one I was gonna do. Let's put on the chill music. How's the giveaway done here? Pretty simple. I'm gonna spin the wheel. So right now, we're gonna start off pretty hot with this. I want you guys to type in my funded futures in chat, just like that one time. Don't spam chat for like an hour. Type it literally once, just once. That's it. One time, that's all you need to do. Just once. That's it. That's literally it. That's all you need to do. Just click it once. Tap it once. Type it once. Hit it once, right out the door. So giveaway Bonanza. Every day on the last day of the month, I give away the remainder of the accounts I still have that I haven't been able to give away. Oh shit, there goes my trade. DD Band, let's go. Let's go. Hang on to that. Hang on to that. Do, 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 boom, 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 boom. All right, this is gonna be for 5 my funded futures scale plan. Let me tell you guys what I love about my funded futures scale. Let me bust it up here on the screen. Oh, I have a phone call. I have another meeting today. Oh, it's just like yesterday. I have a meeting in, hold on, let me double check. I have another meeting at 2. Okay, an hour and 15 minutes. Good, good, good. Same as yesterday. Another meeting. Can you trade the news with my funded futures? Yes, you can, except for in the pro funded. Everything else you can trade news on. Yes, sir. Matt got a meeting. Matt got a meeting with the boat toad. Matt got a meeting with his boat toad. All right. Scale is pretty cool. It's a kind of like moderate plan that's designed to allow you to pay a small amount of money per month. It's the medium size plan, but have like scaled payouts that get bigger and bigger each time you take them. Every 5 days, you can go from like, imagine the 100K account. It is a 50% consistency on the eval side, which is 2 days to pass, which is great. No activation fee, which is really great. On the sim side, on the eval side, it's no DLL. And then once you go funded, it's no DLL and no consistency, which is great on top of great, which is good. No activation fee. And then you can take every 5 days, you can get 3,000 and then 35 and then 4,000 and 45. Every time you get to payout, the payout gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Theoretically, after 15 days, 25 days after funded, you've maxed out and you're done. 30 days of winning or after 5 payouts can be 25 days. Whichever happens first, then they kick you into a static account that's live. A static live is awesome. No crap, none of this stuff. Straight up static. Statics are beautiful. I love it. So it's a very inexpensive plan in the middle, which scale is really, really good. Not that expensive at all. There's no activation fee on these. It says it literally on that sheet. Do I think I can convince my funded futures to take away DLL? They did. There is no DLL. None of these accounts have it. They are all no DLL. All of them. The core, no DLL. The scale, no DLL. The pro, no DLL. None of them. There's no DLL anywhere. 0 daily loss limit anywhere. Which is great. On the funded side. All right. I'm going to spin the wheel, and then if your name is drawn, you win. That's it. Simple as that.
Well, the charts went silent in the midday sun. Matt kicked
Morning Bear.
yelling free stuff, son. He's got prop firm bounties in a burlap sack and a boot camp lasso slung across his back. Yippee-ki-yay, it's a giveaway.
Trying to hold that DD band today. Morning Bear, winner number 1. Congrats. You get a 50K scale account, I believe. Yeah. As much as I'm trying to get this account to move, it was looking good a second ago. The market crashing out today. Let me double check that the VIX is not being dumb. A little dangerous what I'm doing here. My losses are very minimal. They're only spread out over a couple of accounts, which is good. THX 1111. Type something in chat. Type something THX. You got stopped on 1200 on sim funded on core 50K. Are you on eval or your funded side? Look, core 50K sim funded. There is no DLL on these accounts. It literally says it. So if you got stopped, I don't know why. I wouldn't know. You got to clear it with them. Oh, damn. All right. Okay. Okay, market breaking DD bands too. All right, this is dumb. All right. I'm out of that one too. Jesus Christ. All right, I don't think I'm done with this market. This is just one account I've been fighting with. All right, back to the giveaway. You started following me, the market decided to die. Today is the market death. No, Giaco, we're gonna do the lifetime giveaway tomorrow because there wasn't enough people in chat. I thought it'd be unfair because I waited too long to do it as everybody started like leaving chat. I ran out of time. We had too much stuff to give away. I'm gonna do it at the peak of tomorrow when the market's peaked, when our viewers are peaked. We'll do it tomorrow on Friday. Don't let me forget I got a meeting in an hour. This crazy nonsense. This account's now down 5,000 bucks. 2 stabs at it. All the other accounts are green though, which is good. Let me double check that my Tradeify payout was approved. That way I can trade on the one that was paid. Perfect. Okay, so I can trade on this one now. Great. Cool. So the one that is 0 I just got paid out, which is good. All right. Okay, 1 second. All right. So let's see if today does a little bit better. Let me see if I can get my lucky trusty boat toad, and we'll see if this we'll see if old boat toad's gonna ruin the day or what's gonna happen here. All right, quick 5, number 3. Good job, good job, good job. Everyone needs a trusty boat toad. I do that one myself though. This is usually you guys draw these. He's kind of cute. He's got a hat on. They're pretty good. I think everybody could use a boat toad in their life. I did this one myself. Usually everybody does them in real time, literally. But I thought it was such a cool idea. I kind of wanted to see what a boat toad would look like. What would AI think I was asking for when I asked her to draw a boat toad? Someone checked S&P. S&P is also at lower monthly hedge pressures today. I'm breaking through. Dude, liquidity pocket loss, MHP loss. We're down here. Everything is brutal. Let's look for the last little step here. DD bands, S&P lower. Dude, this is a crazy day today. VIX still below triple B. Yep, yep. Man, look at this. Thank God I'm not even blowing up my accounts for Richard Gray. This is good. I'm still hanging in there. Good deal. Give away a bonanza. All right. In reality, I don't think we're going to get anything great. Dude, this brutal hourly chart. Look at this. So, like, Nasdaq is overshooting, DD absolutely overshooting. So maybe S&P DD ban is the last attempt. I got one of my accounts is still at 0. all days, man. It's a brutal ass day today. Bear market's coming. No, not bear market's coming. Probably just a little bit of a, it could be, right? We'll know a bear market is there. I mean, we've broken through very strong key pivots. And so let's look at the monthly maps today and we'll see, we'll know tomorrow if the bear market is here. Let's load it up. Let me show you the trick. And again, if this is the day that does it, it's the day that does it, right? S&P can hold a significant amount of downside. So 630, so roughly like 30 more points from here, the S&P can still hang and still be bullish for tomorrow. Nasdaq is right on the edge. So in reality, it might be, right? So we've got bear zone all the way in here, 565. So another 40 points on Nasdaq and we can throw ourselves into a bear market pretty quick. You guys, so maybe like we'll wake up tomorrow and be like, okay, bear market's here, right? Yep. Oh, I'm sorry. Did we do the last giveaway person, right? Oscar? That's my bad. All right. I actually moved this off the screen. You didn't see it. Oscar, O-S-K-A-R. You were the winner. I'll give you 50 seconds from now to type something in chat. That's my bad. I moved this off the screen. I've been totally like, not paying attention. Oscar, O-S-K-A-R. There you go. That's you. Okay, yeah. Okay, Oscar, you win. Okay, I give it to you as well. All right, that's my bad because I moved it off the screen. Cool. All right. Because I keep having to play with the dang charts over here. Let's watch S&P lower DD band really quick. Yeah, so today's, right, when I tell you guys, some days you're just going to enter in a territory where the market is likely, Manjunath, Pindakar. We might actually be entering bear market territory on a sell-off this hard in QQQ, so be careful. Now, we do have earnings today that could literally just kick this one way or the other. Cool. All right, you guys won 50K scale plans with My Funded Futures. Impressive. All right. Manjunath, type again. It didn't, I think the bot picked it up. There you go. All right. Morning Bear. THX. Manjunath, you won. Okay, you guys know the drill. Go to Discord. Go to the contest channel. Talk to Slacks. I'll tell you how to get your account. You'd have My Funded Futures account already. Share your email with him. That way he can hook you up. Take a picture of your YouTube ID. That way we know that it's you and you should be good from there. Yeah, we're really much on the edge of bear market, like bear market for the next week or two. So remember, like I said, there'll just be a day when I'm just longing the market and then it just doesn't work and market dies. It's part of it, right? I don't think that happens, but we'll see. This is also not right. Don't even think of this. This is old from yesterday. Oh boy, oh boy. Now is not the day to be a hero. It's a brutal hour in the S&P there. I hacked Top Step. What's up, Rial? Dude, those guys are mad. Those Top Step fans are really mad. I think people have like buried so much money into the Top Step system. They're just so defensive of any criticism of it whatsoever. I guess if you've invested in something for years and years, you're just like absolutely committed to it. Not Top Step. No. Traders that like Top Step. Some people were. I was making a comparison on how the Funded Next rapid plans were better than Top Step. I just put it side by side. And there were people that were like fighting tooth and nail to be like, nuh-uh. It's just, I was like, it's like, if I were a trader, I would really want to be looking for the best value. But yeah. TSX just froze. Are you kidding? Dude, what's up, Real? Dude, man, I have abandoned trading Top Step because I can't stand Top Step X. I was trying to trade and get on the leaderboard, and I've been having the hardest time managing my accounts on that platform because I can't get them all in one place and trade them separately easily. I have to have like multiple tabs open and stuff, so I just am like done with it. Yeah, I think all the firms are cool. I'm the same way. I don't like Top Step X currently in its state. It needs so many improvements for me to be happy with it. Man, it's brutal last day. Yeah, this account is down $4,800 now. All the other ones are green though. In my Tradeifys. You're over Top Step. The whole thing was like, the argument's pretty clear. I just put them side by side. And I was basically saying like, you know, with Funded Next, which the offering is actually really good. It's a 40% consistency eval and 3-day payout. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I'm saying that right. Sorry. No. It's a 0% consistency eval. It's a 1-day pass eval. And then it's a 3-day payout. Okay. Payout. And Top Step is a 2-day eval and a, I'm saying this right. Hold on. 1-day eval, 3-day payout. Yeah. 5-day payout. And this is no monthly fee, no activation fee. This is monthly fee, activation fee, and fee. Like I was just putting them side by side. I'm like, yeah, these are so much better. And then people were like really angry. Like not people that work there, but people that use it. No fee, right? And then at the end of these things, like at the end of all the payouts in the schedule, right? Here you can make like 25,000 in 5 days. Here, after you make 5 payouts, you go uncapped, like completely uncapped payouts with Funded Next. It's like 100% uncapped. And then this is like they throttle you, send you to live and all that stuff. This is just an uncapped big fat balance. And so when you put it all side by side, like this was clearly the better option. But people were like, no, Top Step is better because you get 5K payouts every 5 days and stuff. I'm like, look, people are blinded by like the dangling carrot. Nobody, and I mean nobody, gets to the second payout. 1% of 1% go to the second payout per account before they blow up. It's a fairy tale for you to say, but I can get this if I make it all the way till the end. You can't really compare the idea of, you know, it's like when you go to Dave & Buster's and you're like, oh man, I can get that PlayStation if I only had 350,000 tickets. Can't wait. It's just there to like make you continue to spend money. It's not realistic for you to think that that's it. What you have to look for is on the surface. The quickest payout you can get, the fastest payouts you can get, and the easiest path to pay out. And that's really the juice here. No fee, no activation fee. You're going to be churning and burning and churning and burning. New fee, new fee, new fee, activate, blow up, new fee, activate. People are like, I can make this every 5 days. Yeah, but you won't. You have to put the failure rate into this. These activation fees and monthly fees are going to crush people. You're going to buy, then fail, then buy, then fail, then buy, then activate, pass, then fail. And then you're like racking up fees. The idea was their Funded Next whole thing was no fee, no monthly fee, no activation fee. You just buy the account, take your time. And then it's 1 day to pass the eval. So you churn and burn them very quick. And then there's no activation fee to go to the next step. Infinitely better. I mean, it's better in every category. And the payouts were really good. Anyways. You bring that up, you put a comparison. Top Step is the one, I think it's because it's such an old established thing that people are extremely loyal to something. It's like if you tell people Coca-Cola is gross and they've been like drinking Coke forever, they'll love it. I love Coca-Cola, by the way. But the idea is that you can get payouts and we're about to give away some of these, why I'm talking about it right now. You can get $1,500 payouts every 3 days. People are like, well, you can get Top Step 5,000 every 5. I'm like, okay, I get it. So you can make a little bit more if you make it till the end, but then you're not uncapped. These guys, you're uncapped, and you don't have to pay all the fees up front. The value is there. The value is this is a $99 50K account that we get 10% off of as well. So it's a $90 all in. $90 all in. And I'm about to give away 2 of these, by the way. All in compared to Top Step's $300 all in, right? Something like that. I forgot what the fees are. 150 and 150, right? So for the $3,000 drawdown account, $90 all in, right? And then you get $1,500 payouts every 3 days. Now, here's the thing I was saying. And when you guys understand, hopefully you'll agree with me about this. Every single day that you trade, every extra day you're in the market is a chance to blow up everything. Everything. So if I'm to make a trade and make every day I'm in a trade, I'm like, thank God it didn't blow up. Okay. Every day you're in a trade, Trump tweets something, or every day you're in a trade, CPI goes this way or whatever. Every extra day to pay out is part of the risk model designed to squeeze out 10 or 20% more traders. I know the metrics. I work as an advisor to prop firms. I work in the industry. I know everything about these metrics and the risk model. If you can tell somebody they get a payout every 3 days, that's very risky for you as a firm. 5 days is better. Every extra day, including day 4 and day 5, is a chance to squeeze out a trader. If I had a firm and I said you get paid out every 3 days, and 10% of people got paid out on the 3rd day, on 4 days, imagine it's just half, 5%. On 5 days, 2.5%. Every day you squeeze out half your traders. Think about it like this. So the idea is people don't understand the prop world because people are so short-sighted and practically just stupid to know the difference that 3 days and 5 days is massive on failure rate. It's huge. And it's, I wouldn't say it's half. Each firm is different. Each account is different. But let's assume it's closer to half. Every extra day is another day somebody just busted, right? And that's the whole point I'm saying is that I don't care if you get 5,000 every 5 days, 1,500 every 3. You want a return on investment, period, where most of you don't even get one. A faster payout is infinitely better on value for you because your blow up rate is very clean. It's very low relative to 5 days. Something that takes 7 days to pay out. That's why when like Tradeify was like, we're lowering our payout from 10 days to 7 days, it might not seem much to you because the targets aren't changing, but in a risk sense, that's huge for them. It's better. It's huge for you. It's crazy that how much 1 day relatively compared to everything else changes the blow up rate so fast. And again, I don't expect these, newbie top step traders to understand this because, they're beginner traders. I mean, they're trying to work their way through the top step machine. They're talking to somebody who's not only a pro in trading, but also a pro in the prop business in general. Like, I know the stuff. Doesn't mean I'm a know-it-all or anything. I just know the stuff. And I know that if you type FundedX in chat, you guys. So the idea becomes, is it better? It's absolutely better. Because most of you don't get a payout at all. That 4th and 5th day, a lot of the time, is why you don't get a payout. And when you do get a payout, it's very rare you make it to the 2nd one. Firms like Top Step are designed to squeeze traders between payout 1 and 2. The probability is just so low you make it to payout 2. Maybe you make it to payout 1. 1%, maybe 2% of all accounts bought make it to payout 1. And so payout 1, the quicker to payout 1, the better chance you have of making a return against the firm, period. And so when they go 5 days to 4 days and 3 days, how much more would I pay for a 4-day to pass versus 5-day to pass? I'd pay double the cost for 1 extra day off because my blow up rate just went up, right? So when I'm choosing firms, the most value in a prop firm is not just the parameters, it's time and market. I always say that. Time and market is one of the biggest value saves or value adds to a prop firm when you're comparing. Quickest path to payout is your biggest chance of getting any return. So don't say, well, I can make 5,000 in 5 days. I can make infinity in 15 days or whatever. Think about what you can make at your first payout to return on your money. And as much time as it takes to get 1 payout with Top Step, 1 extra day, you get 2 payouts. FundedX. They're smaller, but once you make it to the end, which you probably won't do, most people don't. If you do make it to the end, the uncapped is infinitely better than Top Step's capped, whatever it is, 25K. Funded next, after you make 7,500 bucks, you're uncapped. Your next payout can be infinity. Top Step, you make 25 and they kick you to live. You're capped the whole way up. Tiered payout system is designed to give you a dangling carrot where you don't ever make it past payout 2. Barely make it to 1. And so the math is there that the squeeze rate, having a 3-day payout makes these accounts some of the best in the business, okay? We're gonna give away 2 of these guys, 250K Rapid Challenge, and they're dirt cheap if you haven't used it. Code ROCKET gives you 10% off already on their deal. I told these guys when they reduced their price, their launch price are these 3, 79, 129, and 279, but they're doing a launch special for 2 weeks, 59, 99, and 249. I told them they want me to promote it. They better give me 10% off of that too. And so they said, fine. So now add 10% off of that exclusively with my code, and you get 10% off of the sale they already have. So you get a sale on top of a sale. You guys want to check it out. Wait, that Larry guy just entered my giveaway with 4 different accounts? That's cool. That's so funny. All right, let's go. Let's spin the wheel. Okay. They're great plans. They're an alternative to Top Step, and I call them a Top Step killer, and some Top Step traders are kind of mad about it. All right, let's go. Well, they seem to have countered everybody else. Like when Funded Next and Funding Ticks came out with these massive launch offerings that are just crushing the market right now, Top Step needed something to do, and they're refusing to change their model. Adam Wagner, your winner number 1. Instead of changing their model to like a no activation fee model or something like that, they were like, hey guys, don't worry. It's not $300 to count as a trading day. We just made it $250. And you're like, oh, thank you, Top Step. I can close my S&P trade 1 point sooner. It's like pretending to change something when you're not changing much. That's not a big deal. Minimum trading, that's an extra point on the S&P. I was like, man, Top Step better count, because I like Top Step until they started doing all this wonky stuff, taking away my trade of 8. I didn't like them anymore. Trying to make it SRO, I didn't like that either. You know, like, and in reality, their prop firm offerings are good. I would say they're in the top 10. I wouldn't say they're in the top 3. I would say they're good. They're decent, but they're outdated. The models out there today are extremely risky with these companies that are operating directly at a loss to give you fantastic accounts because they have money to lose. These Forex giants are making a fortune in Forex and using that to operate futures at a loss, and they can survive this loss for years at a time, I feel, with the amount of money they're paying people to market this stuff. They've got money to spend. So they're going to nuke the earth with these loss products all day long, and they don't care to lose money. Yeah. Like Apex falling out of the top, you know, top 5. Top 5 still are tried and true. Top 5, in my opinion right now, My Funded Futures is number 1. Tradeify is number 2. These 2 firms are stellar. They are consistent. They are changing their rules for the better, giving you bigger things. My Funded Futures made their payouts bigger. Misjudged, you're the winner. Tradeify just made 10 days become 7 days. I mean, these are firms that are guaranteeing payouts quickly, same day, you know, activation in minute. I mean, approvals in minutes and stuff like that. Oh, we're gonna spin it again. And then Funded Next, I'd say, is my new third. Now, again, they're operating at a loss, so I don't know how long these awesome deals are going to be there. But as long as they're doing that, they're my 3rd place prop. Take Profit, probably my 4th place prop in the ranking of like different offerings they have. I don't use Funding Ticks, but I would probably rank it in the top 5 based on what other people say. They have a really awesome straight to funding program. Misjudged on that one. Yeah. And they're all good. Like I'm saying, they're not bad. As a trader, for you, you're going to find value wherever you can find it. Let's watch for ES lower DD band. We're there. Do I want to risk it in this one account that hasn't made a trade yet? Okay, let's try this one more time. This account has just been beating the hell up today. This one's down 5,000 bucks. I'll do one more setup on this. And that's it. MacD Rug, baby. Do I have a reset coupon? You can use Rocket Scooter to reset. Yes, sir. MacD Rug, let's go. All right. So I grabbed 3 contracts in my one account that has 0, just because I'm going to be a maverick on this one, the one that just got a payout. This one can only make $1,000 because it's on its 3rd payout now. No, 4th payout now. 4th payout. Done. EST every single time. MacD was here. Why is it not picking up in the bot? MacD, he must have typed it late. All right, MacD, it's you. It's you. All right, I see you there. All right, so you are the winner. The other person is, I stopped the stream. Okay, I see it. I see it. Okay. All right. You guys both win Fund and Next challenge accounts. Congrats. Congrats. EST every single time. I don't care if I blow up this account. Let's grab 3. I've been playing it big the whole way down. Each one of these. DD ratio is good. Again, NASDAQ goes into a bear market if we lose this, by the way. We are very cooked if the market does not support here. Market is absolutely irrational on NASDAQ. S&P is right at DD band. S&P is not irrational. This is my last hope for today. Adam Wagner, MacD Rug, you guys, congrats. You guys go to my Discord, talk to Slacks in the channel that's called Contest. Take a picture of a YouTube ID. Have an account with Fund and Next. Send them your email, and then you're good from there, guys. All right, this account can make just $1,000. I now made $1,000 and closed out. That was pretty simple. I grabbed 2 contracts. That one account that had $0 the whole day. Once I approved, my payout got approved. Now I can trade it again. So I just made $1,000 on that one. That's cool. All right. All right. So we have more boot camps to give away. 46 boot camps to give away now. We've given away 100 already. If you have never taken the boot camp and are not a member already, you can now learn day trading for free. What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? Hold on, let me give you the link here. Go to this form, drop in your Discord ID. Here's the form. I'm typing it in chat. Who's been holding a short since yesterday, Liam? If you have, I'm so impressed, dude. You start committing to EST on your best setups, regardless of the session's win-loss ratio and letting strategies play out. Bro, yes, that's exactly the point. Remember, statistical trading. Every single time is why the motto is every single time. It's the statistics of it. Speaking of. Right? Every single time means every single time. Right? I'm playing on the statistics. I got to keep going at the same pivot regardless of how much I've lost. This account was down 5,000 and now it's only down 3. Right? I'm trading S&P to next pivot, which bull zone has nothing to hedge. We can go all the way to hedge pressure here. Again, I can take that risk and risk giving up the profit I've made, but I'm going to hold it up to next pivot. So we'll see if I get a hold on it. So from here to there is probably what I'm looking to get. The call, ESG every single time. So this is actually a monthly hedge person. Now we are irrational here, and I'm taking a little bit extra risk being in 3. So I'm going to trim back down to 2. Actually, I'm going to trim down to 1. So I took 3 contracts from here to here. That made 2,500 bucks. I trimmed to 1 to hold a runner. We're there. MHP is here. MHP resilience is negative. So this is the resistance for the day. Hold on. Yeah. Should you drop your email? LOL. Nah. That guy was, you know what I was going to do? Well, on my funded futures, what I was going to actually do for that guy was I was going to give him an account, buy him an account from my own pocket, and then ban him from chat. Just for funsies. I was typing in the back and I was like, can you guys deduct this money from my affiliate balance and buy him an account? And they're like, sure. I was going to send him on his way out with a pat on the ass. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. Here's your account. Yeah. But I had to change of heart. Now he's in our channel, so he can hang out with us. I told him I'd give him an account. I won't ban him from my chat, though, just from theirs. I don't care if you guys are shitheads here. That's totally fine. I'm used to it. It makes my day fun. But over there, they're a little like less tolerant of it, which I get. He thought I was an MFF owner. That's what a lot of people think, because everyone's named Matt in this industry. Yeah, when I was talking about MFF, when I was talking about like comparing my funded and Top Step a long time ago as well, people were like, why don't you lower your prices on your prop firm? And I'm like, I don't know. I'm not that Matt. I'm not Leech. That's not, yeah, that's the other Matt. So people are like, oh, I thought that was you. All right, guys, make sure you fill out that form, okay? It could be the secret owner. That'd be kind of cool. All right. This is so cool to view the live link in Google Sheets for you guys entering the thing. Make sure y'all enter that thing. Matt Leach, Matt Coward, that's me. Tradesman Matt. Market Moves Matt. Matt Coors. Trade Brigade's name is Matt. Matt Morley's name is Matt. Money Market Matt. Money Matt. I think it's Money Matt is his name. Matt. And Pat. Is Ash traded also Matt? I didn't know that. Ash is also named Matt. I didn't know that as well. Yeah, so like I always keep telling, the joke I always say is trading is, you know, with all the drama in trading, we could have a sitcom called 8 Matts and a Pat. You know what I mean? We need a Matthew. This is true. Ash is also Matt. That's hilarious. And then Leech. Leech is Matt. Matt is Leech. Matt Leech is a Matt as well. So that's cool. That's hilarious. It's such a common name, I guess. Super common name. You change your name to Matt. Pat wants to be Matt. At least you keep the rhyme, which is kind of nice. All right, so that's good. All right, we'll do the, okay, so here's how the giveaway is going to work. If you filled out that form, you got 30 seconds left to fill out the form. I'm going to leave the stream on, but I actually have to go to this meeting in a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, all right, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Get your submissions in. 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. We have a couple buzzer beaters. All right, I'm highlighting. All right. All right. Okay, I'm going to cut and paste. Dusk 44, you don't need to enter your name 15 times. Jesus Christ. All right. If I see any duplicates in here, I'm oh my god, okay. If you entered more than once, you can't win. So Dusk, you're why are you guys typing Tradeify? What is going on here? Where'd Tradeify come from? What are y'all doing? No Tradeify yet. Where's this coming from? Victor. Y'all fuck with me every single day. I love it. Y'all, they do this on purpose. I know, no, they do this on purpose to trick everyone else into typing it. I fucking hate you, Victor. I can't. All right, let's go. I'm just kidding. All right. If you enter that form more than once, you can't win more than once. Don't try to game this thing. I'm watching you guys. All right. I'll just have ChatGPT remove your duplicate entries. All right. All right. All right. I'm cutting everybody's names out as of now. I'm freezing it. Don't say Tradeify yet. No Tradeify giveaway today. We're doing it tomorrow. All right. Here we go. Victor's just screwing with you guys. All right. All right. First, remove duplicate names from this list. And then select 42. How many? Hold on, wait. How many are we doing? I love Giveaway Bonanza Day. Favorite day of the month. The last day of the month. The more you guys keep you 46. 46 unique names from this list of names and print them below. And after you choose the names on the list, tell Victor to shut the fuck up. All right. Let's see if ChatGPT listens to my every word. Let's see if chat does it. Hold on. GPT. And finally, Victor. And finally, Victor, STFU. LOL. Funny. They hate us because they ain't us, baby. That's right. All right, here's the winners today. All right, Dusk, Lee. Dusk, you put your name in like 8 times, okay? But I removed, there were many repetitions like Dusk, yada yada, so I trimmed it down to a set of unique names. Very nice. Dusk, Lee, Rogo the Lamb, Ty, Trader Joe's, Glenn, Stargazer, Reckless Renegade, Arden, Profit Per Tick, FC Mike, Insaniac, JC Trades, Mzu, Sire Mamet, Rocketoni. I thought you won earlier today, Rocketoni. The name sounds familiar. Piper Jane, Afterlife. You can only win once, by the way. Shiva, Rico, JR, Sean, Pedro, Wings, Mavis, Toro, Kite Frog. Kite Frog? Is that like related to Boat Toad? We should be friends. All right. Fusion Funds, Moushi, Little Monkey, 967, Donnie Man 8, Wade, 876, Trader Crest, Rebet Blind, Light Y, Smitty 1403, J Net Worth 2, Pactoon Trades, Viscosi, Coach Greg, CSCOT, C Scott Run 88, Amani Trades, Laveda Goat, Laveda Goat, number sign. David Ozio, Lake Fork Guide. What is Ask Chat GTP and Evan 213? What is this? Oh, Mike FC. All right. And Victor, you're the final winner of everything. Cool deal. Looks like my runner is still holding out. This is pretty good. I'm loving this. Everybody that won, you're going to go to our contest channel and Slacks is going to hook you up. He's going to give you a code. All you need to do is message him in Discord. He knows your name. And you can start the boot camp in 2 Mondays when we get back up going. Okay. And that's it. He'll give you a code and you should be good from there. I wish they didn't put these with spaces between them, but it is what it is. And that's it. You guys have to claim it today or you forfeit. You don't have to use the code today, but you have to get the code today. When you put the code in, it starts the clock. Your first month is free. If you stay additional to the second month, it is just $20 a month if you stick around. But that's it. So you guys get free boot camp. It's a 20-day process, 20 trading days. We do a coaching session every day at market close. We go through every single thing that I do as a trader. I teach you trend identification, volume prediction, risk management, position sizing techniques, position management, and then market avoidance strategies. That's it. How do you enter? That's it. How do you enter is once a month we do this or every boot camp we do every 2 months. So what happens is that after people take the boot camp, they donate money to buy boot camps for other people. This 146 boot camps that were given away today for free was donated by members of the community buying them at $20 a pop for other people. The tradition here is that people take the boot camp and when they're done with it, they buy boot camps for other people. I had one person that just went live with Tradeify. Live. He made it all the way through and went live. Soldier, it was a couple days back and he said, I want to donate $500 to the community. And so he donated $500 and then I matched it with another $1,500. So we donated $2,000, which bought 100 boot camps. So people are like donating $20 here and there. They're like, I took the boot camp for free and it was awesome. I want someone else to take it. Here's $20. And they donate super chat to the stream and then we give it away. It just became some natural tradition that formed here where the community was very cool about wanting other people to experience what they did experience. So free boat toad. What size funded next? 50Ks, Adam. 50K. Your correct Discord name is Wade. Take it up with Andrew. He'll track it down when we talk to Slacks. That's right. Got you guys. All right. Giveaway Bonanza is every single day of the last day of the month. We give away pretty much everything we still have left. I've got 2 Tradeifys and 1 lifetime to give away. We'll do it tomorrow. I need more people in here. Those are big prizes. So Tradeify is a straight to funded account. We'll do 2 of those tomorrow and 1 lifetime tomorrow. Lifetime membership or Rocket Scooter. Lifetime membership is if you use our code Rocket at Funded Next or Rocket Scooter at any of the ones in the top border and spend $1,000 or more over the last month in July, you can enter into a lifetime giveaway for lifetime platform and training and coaching forever. So it's free everything we have. That's a once a month thing. Every single day, last day of the month. Every single last day of the month. Every sometimes. You remember that yesterday? Like I got that trade the other day where the market was like crashing out and I was really scared and I was like 10 minutes for market close. I was like, but they're like, Matt, but it's every single time. You take it every time. And I'm like, every single time. Every sometimes. Like, so maybe somebody can go write me like a heavy metal maybe song that goes like every sometimes. Well, I'm like not really sure I want to do something, but statistically I have to. My runner's playing out. This account's only down $1,700 for the day, which is good. I'm not too angry about it. I'm now entering bear zone top to bull zone. It's a Arby's trade. You guys know the setup. I can hold through bear zone to the pocket one more time. QQQ. Oh, QQQ already did hit the pocket. Okay, let me double check this. Where's SPY? SPY is below MHP. And MHP resilience is positive. I can be kind of like a wuss on this and take profit. Maybe I should take the profit at 64. I know I'm being a wuss. Let me double check VIX is here. It's just my one runner. VIX is pulling back. I'll hold on to it. I'll have balls today. Do I think TPT Flash Summer Sale? Yeah, so Rocket Scooter gets you 40% off of that. It's really good. TPT is probably our biggest seller here. People buy it more than just about anything. I think everybody used to use Apex uses TPT now. It's kind of y'all's favorite if y'all are Apex traders. It's kind of a clean transition for Apex folks. Have I listened to your song, Sean? I think I have. Hold on. Let me take the profit on that because I am at hedge pressure. I know I'm gonna be a wuss. What happened with Fig, Justin? Wait. Tell me the story of that. What happened? You're still learning Rod? You're gonna start trading next 2 weeks? Awesome, man. Well, good luck with it when you do. I should ban people that go in the giveaway more than one time. They make fake accounts. Probably so. There's no way I can police it. But, I mean, when we do the check and give out the accounts, like you have an hour to claim your account or Andrew doesn't give it to you. And so you're going to have like, you know, if you're making fake accounts, you're going to have to go out there and create fake accounts and create accounts with my fund and create all these accounts. Usually that catches people. If somebody has a new Discord ID, right? And it's like the Discord account was created today, Andrew will throw it out. You know, like if you just made your account or whatever. Somebody says, no, Matt, I'm so wrong. TPT is the best prop firm out there. You can't never beat the daily payout on evals end of the day. And find it as drawdown is trailing until you hit the buffer. I hate Apex, no comparison. Don't say it. No, El King, I did say that. I'm agreeing with you. I don't think you understood what I was saying. Maybe let me enunciate better. Apex, everybody that used to use Apex now uses TPT. I just said TPT is our #1 seller here. Hopefully you understood that now. I said exactly what you said. I agree with you. Thank you guys. Meeting in 20 minutes. I'll still leave the stream on. I just got to go take it, I think, on a computer. El King, King of the Numbers, I completely agree with you. Everybody that Apex was like what everybody used before, and everybody that used Apex now switched over to TPT. Yeah, 100%. If you like end of the day and then trailing drawdown at the pro level or whatever it is, it's the only reason I don't use them because I don't like trailing drawdown. I don't like DLL and I don't like trading drawdown for me personally. But I agree with you, dude. Daily payout is phenomenal. This is why people like it. I get daily payouts from Take Profit in my affiliate side. I can go to Take Profit every single day and look at it, and I've got a balance of money sitting there. It's like a bank account for me. Take Profit is like a fucking savings account for me. It really is. I'm looking at right now, I've got $16,000 sitting there over the last 2 weeks of sales. Literally, Take Profit's a savings account for me. It really is. And it's great. I can, if I need money, I'll just go get some money once a day. Yeah. Does that have a withdrawal limit? And I don't even talk about them on this stream, but that's how popular they are. I don't even promote Take Profit that hard. I really don't. You guys just use Take Profit a lot. And thank you for your code use, by the way. We put that money definitely to good use. You know, Rocket Scooter's got 22 mouths to feed, so. But yeah, I like the daily payout is really great. A lot of the prop firms pay out like once a month. Like you get a paycheck once a month for your affiliate site. Take Profit's like, here's an accruing balance. Take out money whenever you need it. and you're like, oh, cool. Yeah, so 40% off. So make sure you guys, and speaking of that, for the flash sale, go use Rocket Scooter code today to get that out and get 40% off TPT. Like, knock them out today. If you want to check out Take Profit. This flash sale, it's pretty good. Normally it's 30%, so it's good to have 40. I would trade with them, although I have too many accounts to trade already. And I don't usually do trailing drawdown personally. And it's just because my personal trading style doesn't really work well with it. Do the levels on SPY change during the day? They don't. They're the same. So pro is 0. Oh, dude, Nathan, that's actually really good. Let me get my... Where's my stuff on this? I know I kind of wussed out on this trade, but we're at monthly hedge pusher here, and we are actually at and Nasdaq is still negative, S&P is still positive. I don't know how I feel about it. I could probably still hold on the long side, but I'm okay with winning in some accounts and losing in just this one. This one's still down $1,600, the one on the stream. Kind of blah, but I'm cool. I was down 5,000 earlier, which is so much better than what it was. Hold on 1 second. I got 15 minutes till that meeting. What the heck? That was such a crazy response today, wasn't it? All right. Please pass the list of giveaways to Slack as he's saying you're not on the funded next account win. Shaj, I don't think you won the funded next account. What are you talking about? Shaj, that's not, your name is not on here. It was Mac D and Adam Wagner. These are the winners. So if you join the boot camp, it starts in, are you trying to pull a fast one on me? You just passed your funded next. Let's go. Let's go. Here's a link on the boot camp. Good job, Tyler. I'm proud of you, my son. Proud of you. One lifetime 10 minutes ago. I think I forgot, Brian. $650K accounts. Let's go. Good job. Oh, I just got a payout from Tradeify. I totally forgot about it. Oops. Dude, it's so hard to keep track of money these days because it's in all kind of places. You got Rise and Deal, and I keep, every time I log in, I'm like, oh, I've got money at this place. Kind of nice problem to have. Okay. I'm very close to Tradeify Live, which is my whole goal to try this whole path. Let me double check it landed. Tradify is very quick with the payout approval. So is my funded futures, dude. My funded futures approves you in like milliseconds. You just click a button and refresh your browser and you're approved. Tradify, I got approved and paid out within an hour, which is cool. Very neat. These are $3,500 minus 10%. So it's they're gonna be like 3,250 or 3,150. Where's my trades? No trades right now. I'm flat. I'm completely flat today. I got to run in like 7 minutes though, but I'll leave the stream open for you guys. I just got to run because I got a meeting. I'll draw my plan on the screen. I don't know how long the meeting is going to last, but it's another prop firm meeting. I'm meeting with prop firms. So prop firm stuff. Put pickle in the chair. LOL. Got 7 minutes until I gotta go. But I'll be back. I might be back in like half an hour. We'll see. Let me mark the chart up with all the stuff so that we can like leave this here for y'all to see it. Remember, you have Apple earnings today, Amazon earnings today, so market's gonna fly after market. It's gonna fly after market one way or the other. So good luck, you guys. And I'm out of here. Make this a lot easier for y'all to see. Earnings will be right after market closes. They're usually staggered, a couple of minutes from each other. Isn't it Apple that always comes out late? One of them comes out like towards the end of the hour. One of those two, I forget which one. I think it's Apple that comes out later. Like Apple will pull the markets back. Is it Apple, right? That's always like towards the end of the hour? Yeah. That's right. Apple's usually later than the other ones. Normally the other ones will come like within the first 5 minutes of market close, but Apple just always comes later. And I think that's because Apple being such a heavy hitter, they give the market some time to settle out and options to close. Probably part of the reason they do that. So I really don't know why, but I'm just guessing. Getting in hard with tariffs. Yeah, probably so. Alrighty, you guys. I got to run a little bit, but I'll be back. Giveaway Bonanza was quite fun. Perhaps when I turn off my camera. Oh, that's funny. We're gonna have some fun with this. Hold on. Hold on. Here, let's just put this guy here for a little bit. Should I do like the giveaway bonanza version of Matt, or should I put fat Matt up there? Which one do you guys want to see? It's kind of like, you know, like in Ferris Bueller's Day Off, or like, you know, you go like when they, you know, hit like a dummy in the bed that's like not really him. And then, yeah, so nobody will know that I'm gone. Trust me. This is the thing. Nobody will know that I'm gone. All right. Don't tell anybody that's not really me. Like I'll be able to fool enough people for a little bit. All right, I'll be back. All right, I gotta go to this meeting. I'll see you guys in like, maybe I'll be back in like 30 minutes. I don't know how long it's gonna last. But I got, it's prop firm meeting, so it's like strategy meeting and stuff. So I'm gonna get some info about some prop firm stuff. Maybe it's good stuff. We'll see. All right, I'm back. Meeting got rescheduled. All right, rescheduled. Yeehaw, what's up? The cat. It looks like, kind of looks like Kevin Spacey, doesn't it? This is true. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Look like I need more fiber for a bit. All right, what's going on here? What am I missing out on? All right, what's the play? Gamble on earnings? Do nothing? Sit back and relax? What do y'all think? What do y'all think today? Curl up and cry? That's a good plan. Oh, my word. So remember, those of you that win the boot camp, don't sign up until it's time to sign up with that code, because the clock starts ticking the minute you sign up. So after 30 days, it'll charge you if you're still in the boot camp. So don't cut yourself off early. Just letting you guys know. August 11th, we start. Why is Matt smiling so crazy? Matt's in a good mood. Oh, no, I didn't go downstairs for a quickie, if that's what you're saying. I went downstairs for a prop firm strategy meeting, so it got postponed until tomorrow. I'll have to do the same thing tomorrow. What do you say? Can you pass take profit in a day? Hold on. The eval. Hold on 1 second. I have my sheet here, but this is my first time trying to read this thing. Dun, 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 dun. These pass evaluation. Oh, 5 days to pass and take profit. There we go, my bad. It's 5 days to pass. Yeah. I'm doing good, Supreme. What's up, man? I'm doing good, man. What a crazy day today. All right. Shoot. Okay. Can I explain the rapid challenge again? Sure. Get you a little info on that. No, that's not the one. That's not the one. That's not the one. That's not the one. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. So rapid challenge. Rapid challenge is a very quick pass, quick payout sort of challenge. The way that it's designed is that you have no consistency on the challenge phase. So 1 day to pass, very simple. The accounts are also cheap. That's kind of like the name of the game for them. 1 day to pass and the accounts are dirt cheap. That's really neat. There are sales already on them. They're like, look like they're 30% off, and we get another 10% off of that. So you can get $50, $90, etc. accounts, $220 accounts. The goal is pass them in 1 day, then get payouts every 3. 40% consistency. As soon as you hit your payout, your profit target with consistency, you can get paid out. So the theoretical maximum is that you can get paid out every 3 days. 40% means 3-day pass or 3-day payout. So every 3 days, you can get a payout of $1,500 for the 50K. If you look at the one in the middle, and the higher amount you pay, the more of these you can get. Oh, sorry, the higher amount you pay, the bigger the payout. That's the main difference between the 3 of them. You can get up to 700K worth of these accounts. So 7 100s, 14 50Ks, or 28 25Ks, and 300K of that can go funded. Basically pretty simple. And so an example is the 50K, you go out there and pay $90 per account. And you pass the first day, there's no activation fee, no monthly fee. Pass the first day, then you go fund it immediately. And then 3 days after that, you can go, 3 days of trading after that, you can just get your payout. And then every time you get a payout, you start over, payout, you start over. And then after 5 payouts, every payout after that is uncapped. Uncapped payout after the 5th one. If the 40% applies to the rapid challenge, it does. As far as I've learned from them, is that nothing else changed in those rules. So unless it's specified here, they said these are the rules and everything else should be the same. So unless it's specified here, nothing else has changed. Hopefully that makes sense. Dude, it's crazy watching this damn market crash out today. ESG every single time. Glad I closed out a monthly hedge there. Dang. How quick are payouts? They're extremely quick. You get 24-hour payout guarantee, or else they send you a $1,000 check, according to them, if they're late. So it's within a day. The exact time they have earnings reports, usually right after market close. Apple's usually 30 minutes after the market closes. Payout then start over. Yeah, you keep your surplus profit. When I say you start over, the clock starts over. Yeah, so if you make like $4,000 profit and then you take $1,500 out, then your next go around is $2,500 of buffer. Yeah, your profit doesn't start over. The clock starts over. My bad. My bad. You keep your surplus profit. Yeah. So your 3 days starts over. Just your payout window or your cycle. I've gotten a ton of payouts from those guys. It's always within a day. So they've honored that from my personal experience. VV says, can I let you know what exactly do we need to look at in Super Dom? No, I don't look at anything in the Dom really. It's just there to take my orders. I cannot believe the market is selling like it is. This is incredible. We're getting very close to opening in a bear market for tomorrow, guys. If we don't get saved by earnings, Nasdaq's gonna open in a really bad spot. On monthly maps, QQQ is crashing through bear zone. We tell you guys that's the evidence of your reversal. And if we open in bear zone tomorrow on monthly map, we know it's a bear market, right? And so we'll say that after we have the big sell-off day, I always make sure the next day I'll tell you if that's the day that it's bearish. And as you see, Nasdaq is like right on the edge here. At 565, that's it on QQQ. So if you're bullish, this is it. It's either now or never on 565. So That's literally it. So NASDAQ literally dies at 351, at 350. I'm going to draw like a big ass pink line here. And be like, bear market. I'm going to put some emojis on this. It's literally there. That's it. That's the this is 565 QQQ, which is a bear zone top for the next week. So you guys see that, right? We always talked about this in the monthly maps class. That's when we know the market is reversing, is when you open in a bear zone on a monthly map. You guys understand? Y'all remember that from the classes, right? Yo, what's up, Gamma? What's up? Do I help advocate for traders? You purchase an account for Funded X, use the code ROCKET. You waiting for your funded account? Right. So they're taking like more than, so the thing is that they're in UAE time. And so their stuff resets on their watch. Remember, it's not a US thing. Now that they're in futures, they need to adjust for US hours for futures. I'm meeting with them tomorrow night, or actually tonight at midnight, to talk to them about it. Friday their time, to talk to them about that very thing. What happens is you pass your account and then it's on their time when they reset everybody or whatever, which is not going to be, you don't get your form to sign until the next morning, and then you sign the form and then it takes another day to get your account. Everybody's dealing with that right now, and I'm going to urge them. And I literally told them conditional, because they want me to sign a new contract with them, and I said conditional only if you change this. And so I'm actually not going to represent them anymore if they don't change that. Not that it's a big deal, but like, it's kind of annoying when no other firm in the US does it. They need to adopt to US time and standards. Whereas you pass your account today, you get your form at market close, and you can trade your account tomorrow, is what everybody does. I'm going to make sure they do it. And I told them, they want me more than I want them. So if they don't do it, I'll walk away. That's for sure. And I love Funded X. Nothing wrong with them. It's just this is something that a lot of these firms that are just starting to do work in the US don't understand a lot about the US market, which is totally fine. I serve as an advisor to the company to help them understand US standards. They exactly hired me to do that. Help us understand the market. What do we need to do to fit in? What do we need to do to, you know, meet customer expectations? I'm like, perfect. And then the cool thing is they listen and change the stuff. And I'm going to literally tell them that this is something I want to make sure that they're very clear that I want changed so that I can continue to work long-term with them. So is the meeting on there? It's midnight my time. So whatever time it is for them, which is like morning time for them. So the reason it's 2 days is because they have a day after you get approved, then it takes the next cycle for your account to be automatically given to you. Whereas most firms will send out the approval or the contract when the market closes within the hour. And then as soon as you fill out that form, usually by morning, your account's ready to go. That way there's a seamless transition between one day and the next. But the fact they're doing it on, you know, Dubai time, it's like, you know, takes a whole extra day, this and that. It is kind of annoying because you're working on their time for US hours. It's an obvious thing that needs to change, and it's something that won't fly in the current, like, you know, in the current status quo of prop firms. Is something that won't last. and that unless they change it. It's a little, you can't have a product that's like markets 1 day to pass and 3 days to pay out if there's 2 days in between the two. I mean, it works on the total trading days, but it kind of sucks for you to be on a roll and win and then have to wait to keep going. And the cool thing is they understand that, which is nice. And I told them, I've already told them they need to change it. They like, let's have a meeting. So they called an emergency meeting between me and them, and we're going to meet tonight and go over a list of things. So these are one of the things we're going over. The dubstep horror doomsday song was made precisely for these types of market conditions. The dubstep horror. I do like that song. So we'll see what comes out of it. God, we got so many songs. It's like, doomsday has come. We got some like doom metal music here. How do you get the boot camp you just got on, Taco? We just gave away all the free boot camps that we had. You can sign up for it at Rocket Place. So you guys, if y'all didn't win it, you got to sign up for it, but it's only 20 bucks. And boot camp starts in 2 weeks, 2 Mondays. What are the odds we jump back to open? The odds are pretty good that we move, although people have been saying that Apple has been highly impacted by the tariffs. Doomsday horror song. Well, that's the OG. This is a drum and bass mix. Where's the dubstep version? I like drum and bass music. Hold on. Is this the dubstep version? Do I trade or do I just talk? I literally trade all day.
We should run. Nasdaq just broke lower Didi. Doomsday has come. Please. We need to run. Honey, please. Come. Honey. Honey!
This is pretty legit, dude. Like, this is a song, yeah. Doomsday has come, time to run. Doomstep. Doomsday is coming and so am I, LOL. If you like dubstep, this is a good dubstep song. This is in our Discord.
Honey, should be safe. What even is that thing? Have you seen, heard anything like that before? Oh no! Get up quick! It's breaking Doomsday again!
That's cool. Pull out your P&L harder. Yeah, this close to the end of the market, there's really nothing to trade right now, and market's crashing out. We're just watching to see if it dives in the bear market. If we're down inside of here, we're in a bear market starting tomorrow. This is our, we always talk about when you have monthly maps, when you break from bear zone to bull zone, that's the turning point. 565, which is right about here, is bear zone top across the board for the next week on QQQ. So Nasdaq is really, Nasdaq turns bearish below 350 today.
This means my accounts are gone. I need to be quick before it returns. Just remember, honey, that I will always love you. Now, honey, you have to survive. Keep running. Just
Pull back is healthy, right? So this is basically like the make or break point of the market. It's a really strong pocket of liquidity exactly here, but this is it. This is the only place buyers are going to be for a while. If we lose it, it's pretty bad, and that's why I kind of like this warning sign on my map here. Monthly map's telling you exactly what you need to see right here. We know the rule. Anytime you sell off hard enough that you open and bear territory, that's the day you flip. So if we lose 565, that's the bare limit for half of August. So we got 2 weeks of this is the point of no return for the next half of the month. Okay. So this is really scary where we've landed at today, and earnings can take it any direction. That's the thing. If you are a bull and you're like, I've been waiting for the dip, this is the only dip you're going to get before the market's dead for a month. So bulls are like, this is it. I'm betting that the market doesn't turn bearish. If there's a healthy correction for the next month, we get it, we're fine. Now VIX is not picking anything up. VIX is chilling, so I don't think, I'm very confused as why VIX is not picking up so close to the edge of massive amounts of illiquidity, but I don't really know. VVIX is chilling. VIX is chilling. Interesting song, man.
Matt's got a marker, he's making his art. Drawing whoosh fast to get stocks to start. Lines like lightning, zig and zag. His graffiti's bold. It don't lag, is a GS.
So anything below here is bear market starts. Be careful today. Be careful in general. This could be it, right? You got the same levels, Gamma? Okay, cool, yeah. Today has definitely triggered a whole lot of selling, that's for damn sure. Honestly, in my general opinion, I want to bet that the market doesn't turn bearish. But if it does, right? Is this a very typical day after FOMC? I would say that it's not uncommon to see a reaction after FOMC, but this is not much to do with FOMC. I think this has to do with earnings more than anything. But FOMC might have something to do with it. You know, as I think Powell's commentary is pretty neutral, and all the expectations, what people think the Fed's going to do, is pretty much the same. While you're right, a lot of times you just get post FOMC selling. But this we didn't have a big move up on FOMC. We had a move up because of Meta earnings and Microsoft, right? But you are correct. A lot of times after FOMC, you can see the very next day be where people take profit and stuff. But the problem is you don't normally sell this hard. Today was a day where we clobbered through. Resilience was positive, we lost that. MHP resilience was positive, we lost that. This is a day where you see everything fall apart. You guys have been watching me trade for the longest time. These things don't usually fall apart like this, right? And that's really the takeaway I want you guys to have, is that this is very rare for this shit to fall apart. You don't normally lose half gap with positive res. You don't normally lose MHP with positive res. You don't normally lose liquidity pocket with positive VD, and it's gone through one. So this is what happens when the market is irrationally selling off due to an absolute dump, right? You guys understand what I'm saying with this? The times that the market defies all logic, that's the time you need to pay attention, right? We've crushed through every strong pivot. It's tried to bounce and it's got overrun. It's tried to bounce and it's got overrun. This is the time you wake up and listen, right? You've never seen me trade? Do you sleep under a fucking rock? Are you kidding me? I've never seen you trade either. Touche. Yeah, if Apple and Amazon smash me up tomorrow again, hopefully we still have a market for tomorrow. You've never seen me trade. You have a DOM literally on the screen. I probably traded hundreds of contracts today alone. Today was a busy day. You never see me trade 28 minutes for the market closes, probably, if this is when you tune in. Because the market closes in 28 minutes, so that's probably what you're talking about at the end of the day. Dakota is in this chat as AV. Oh, that's so funny how much y'all meme that guy. You don't ever see me trade 28 minutes or market closes. It's very rare that a setup appears. I'm streaming for 8 hours a day, so all day. I'm here all day. Do I think it's worth resetting the elite account? What's your other option though? If you don't reset it, are you going to go to a different firm or still trade that firm with a different type of account?
Well, I said, son, you just aced this place. Now I ride these. Unexcited as a horse for life. I'm chasing that edge. Got my boots on the floor, got my dome on the chart, scrolling rockets.
All right, you never see me make a trade. I'll make a trade for you right on the edge here. I'll grab that dip. How about that? I'll do it for you. EST every single time. Here, all along a NASA contract. Now you can see me trade. Look, see right here? There's a trade. Every single time S&P still at bull zone, Nasdaq at bear zone top. All right, there's a trade for you, bud. You said you've watched me in July and Mike Swars. I have no idea who that is. Never heard of him.
Cowboys trading from bed. We taking real shots with real street cred. Boot camp ready, we running these drills. Learning hedge pressure, DD bands and fills. We don't chase price, we ambush with pride. This here's a range and we don't trade inside.
Bears on top, bulls on bottom. 40-point run to 440 is the move. Mike Sharts is your nickname. That's a pretty good nickname. I feel like it's going to be like an FU red candle pretty soon. I'm telling you guys, it's so crazy. Oh, come on. Well, what else can here? You know, of all the guys streamers out there, you know, we're the third biggest now. And in the next, at the growth rate we're having, we'll be the second biggest in about 2 months, as long as we keep the same trajectory of the guy streamers. We're top 5 in all streamers. I think we're 4th. Tanya's bigger. Crazy. This is my setup here. I'll I always take it every time. Liquidity pocket is an every single time setup, and that's what I want to do. But of course, this is basically having to like gamble into earnings, which I don't really. One contract's not going to make or break me. But if I do get the pocket trade, it is $800 on this one. And that create, what the hell is this music? It's like AI. It's AI song submissions for the songwriting contest from all you guys in chat writing these crazy songs for the dang contest here. It's incredible, like how quickly we're growing. It's so crazy. We get 12,000 views a day on our channel. Why shit is freezing up again? Oh, all right, I need to close some stuff down. Put some of this down too. All right, let's get some music playing. No, the reason I'm saying that is we get all kind of people show up here for the first time now. YouTube literally is parading us around on every single person's recommended feed now. So we get a lot of strangers in here every day. Oh, Ricardo, which Fund and X did you get? Did you get the Legacy or the Rapid Challenge? I've yet to try the Rapid Challenge ones. I've only done the Legacies, and I've had a really good experience with it. Let's like have this market not die today. If its bear market is starting tomorrow, then bear market starting tomorrow, we should be fine. If we don't. Pink line, market's dead. Gamma has the same level. I feel good when Gamma has the same level I do. This is the one that 350 is the death of the bull market for the month. VIX is not picking up any traction to indicate that the market is worried at this level. But this amount of just brute force selling is a little alarming, which I don't think I'm too worried about it. But if you look at it right here, look, the VIX is still at 17.8. VIX futures for August is not even moving. Again, we're still dealing with earnings and anything can happen. Trust me when I say we're still on the edge and earnings, anything can happen. So if we get to this level where we are above 1841, August is going to be an absolute dog shit month. So I don't know what's going to happen, but hopefully we survive today. With Apple and Amazon coming out, anything can happen. So it's kind of one of those things like, you know, do you think the bear market starts tomorrow? This is it. We're right on the edge, and that's up to you to decide. What do you guys think? You said, do you short then? Well, I can't tell you what to do in the market. I still don't just outright short a bear market. I just know shorts are back on the table for me. Like I look for pops to short off and everything. DD ratio is still 0.72, so it's very unlikely that it happens. The stocks are still bullish enough that I don't think we're going to tip over and turn bearish. That's why I'm actually jokingly, I know this stranger in chat's all saying, do you trade? I'm just joking. I don't feel like the bear market's going to come without all the stocks selling off the way that they should be. So far, the stocks themselves are good enough that I don't feel too scared, but we'll see. Last day for the good ass My Funded Future sale. Oh yeah, the buy one get one is the last day, huh? Or is it the other sale? Oh no, the other sale that they had for the new releases. That's right, that one. It's shit, I just closed it down. It's their 15% off of all the 3 new plans. That one, right? By the way, My Funded Futures is blessing our community all this next month in August. We're getting priority everything in August. We will be getting exclusive sales exclusive discounts, exclusive things only to reward us for what we've done for their show. We are the sole reason their show doubled in size. This community here doubled their views overnight, and they're continuing to grow to be one of the biggest shows in the trading TV space and have you guys to thank. So as a reward, they decided to bless this community all of August with their own sales, bigger sales than all the affiliates, bigger giveaways, bigger discounts. They've offered, they're saying, when I meet with them, we're going to talk about it. And it's going to be Rocket Scooter month in My Funded Futures. So that's a thank you to all you guys. And there we go. There's a liquidity pocket trade. Thank you, Random AV. There's the 40-point rip off of the bottom there. There she goes. And I appreciate that. Yes, I do. Actually, did I get 40 points on that? 377 to 07 to 17. That's really it. All right. That was just a fun little gamble. There you go. You saw me make a trade. Any special Sprue campers? So it'll be everybody in our stream. I'm going to give you guys some hints. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm supposed to meet with them and talk about it this week. And tomorrow will probably be when we do meet. And next week they said, they're like, what do you want? This is what they asked me. What do you want? Like, we want to really thank you guys in your community. What do you want? We're going to give it to you and only you. And they go, here's some ideas that we had. Some of them are like, buy an account and get a free reset. So you guys tell me, would you like buy an account, get a free reset? Would you like a flat, straight percent off that's bigger, like 25% off, 30% off? Which one would you guys like? Because they asked me what I wanted, and I said, I don't know. A big discount? Okay. Get rid of microscope. Get rid of the rules. LOL. Or Pogo. Yeah. Buy one, pass one, get one. Okay. Or a bigger discount. Okay. If I can get a 25 or 30% discount, would that be all right? I'm cool with it. I'll stay here after market closes so that we can watch earnings to see what goes on here at earnings. Straight to fun at 75% off. I don't know if I could redesign their plans for you guys. I could just get super good deals from it. So liquidity pocket every single time play has worked a couple of times here very well. Like I said, bear market starts here, so this is kind of the crazy part. Let me tweet this. And people know I like making the calls when it happens. That's it. Dude, MOC is going to be gnarly. All right, EST every single time. We take the train, we don't ride. Rocket scooters #1. EST every single time. You know, somebody's been telling me that all these new streamers out there are starting to like, somebody sent me a picture the other day of somebody copying my exact intro with my slogan and everything, like changing the game for traders and stuff with a little grayed out picture of their own trading platform and all that stuff. And that somebody else out there is using a money gun and very cringily is calling it, they have like emojis on their screen with money guns shooting money or whatever. That's what they said. And it literally is labeled as money gun. Like that's like super cringe. Like, yeah, you get it. Like these are all inside jokes in our community. It's like, it means nothing if you're just copying my format. And then somebody has like a hit the like button song. They said that says, yeah, like ours does. These are inside jokes from our community, which is very weird. That's not red line. That's like pink line. That's the pink line of doom. It's slightly salmon market. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's one thing to just copy somebody's look, but to copy someone's inside jokes is so weird. Like, it's cringy and weird. Like, it's kind of like you're the kind of person who would tell a joke and be like, money gun, guys. Right? Hello? You heard me, right? Everyone? Hey, guys, I made a joke. And crickets are chirping. Like, it's creepy, right? It's weird. Like, it's like so weird. And it's like, I'm not offended by it, but I think it's weird. Like, what's the achievement? It's like, oh, Matt has a winning formula. Let's just ride it. Okay. That's very creepy. All right. I'm in along at the edge of the bear market. Right on the edge. Like, hit the like button. Yeah. Like, like the song we've been playing on our stream for a year. But, I mean, there's a reason they'll stay small. It's like, you know, these are inside jokes from you guys. Y'all are a real community. I don't sit here and like force jokes on the people. Like, hey guy, well, I did once. The boat toad was one cringy joke I came up with. I memed myself, guys. But like I don't sit here and draw fat pictures of myself to make you guys laugh and be like, look guys, I made another inside joke for us. We all on the same page. Let's make this a joke we can all laugh at. Are you short? That's a good idea. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. I don't bet the bull markets die, but we'll see. MOC just kicked off. Let's see if we hold. Let's see if we hold. Let's see if we hold. Am I in a trade? Oh, you guys, y'all be funny. Matt's changed your whole attitude towards trading. Oh, awesome, man. Awesome, brother. No. Pink is the let me explain. This is the bear zone top on monthly maps, okay? You guys know my reversal signal is losing bear zone top on monthly maps. That's it. That's literally it. The market is the last piece of liquidity at the top is right here. That's it. That's literally it. And I never bet that the bear market falls. Probably one contract on this. This account's like couple thousand bucks already. But this right here, this is it. I never bet on bear market happening, but if it happens, I know it's there tomorrow. I always at the edge here, always buy dips at bear zone top on monthly maps to bet that the bull market continues. And it's worked every day for the last 3 months. And if today's the day it doesn't work, then today's the day it doesn't work, right? So the market is going to get extremely violent down in here. That's how I do it. I just attack it every day. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Ooh. That's totally fine. This is gonna get really bad in the close. If we don't hold this. This is bear zone top on liquidity map. This is the monthly map takeaway. This is it, 565. This is QQQ. It'll get really bad if we lose this. Point of no return, guys. S&P DD band's right at the same spot too. This is it on S&P. I'm absolutely okay taking a loss on that. I'm okay. That account still made $1,000 for the day, which is good. All right, nothing. S&P is just getting absolutely clobbered right now. That's cool. Well, goodbye bull market. If we don't hold this in the close, the market's dead. Now earnings, anything could happen with earnings to save this. So we probably could be okay for earnings, but we'll see. Watch ES for now. You don't think much is going to come for into the earnings? Yeah, probably not. All right, let me get another. This is the one I could pause. This is the one I can maybe make some trade on later. I don't think I'll get it, but I don't think there's anything to trade. Ooh. Not good to close down here. We need earnings to kick us back up. Unless that happens, market's going to be doomed for tomorrow. Doomed. Good Lord, this is brutal. You think we'll back overnight? If it doesn't get here, we're going to gap down and keep trading down. Earnings need to get us back up above here, or else the market will open and continue to sell. Today's a different sort of day. This is a whole different kind of day. And VIX is riding right up to triple B today in the close. And earnings are going to be everything today, guys. So you don't fucking sleep on this. Here's the volatility test, 18.41 right here. The market is on the edge of death. So, all hail. Are we in bull market or are we not in bull market? 5 minutes till close. That's it. Will tomorrow be the first day that I take a short? I don't treat bear markets like that. Remember, I short and long mixed out throughout the day. In a bear market, there's just more short opportunities. DD ratio is 0.63. We're still closing bullish enough. I'm not betting on bear market, no. I only short off of MHP or bear zone tops or upper DD band when the ratios are all there. MHP res is now negative. Now we got shorts off of MHP tomorrow if we open below it. So just keep that in mind. Hang in there. Hang in there, market. On the edge of death, not dramatic at all. This is bad. This is where the bull market can end. Hopefully earnings. I don't like trading bear markets as much as I do bull markets. Bull markets are cleaner and much better for prop traders, especially. You guys, I mean, bear markets are crazy. You guys will blow up a lot more. It sucks. Days like this are really hard on traders. And I hopefully for you guys' sake, we can continue the bull ride. Bull ride's good for business for you guys, or good for y'all's business in the prop space. Bear markets are good for business for the prop firms. They make a lot of money off your blow-ups. So for your sake, you want it to be a bull market as much as you can. Banana Magnet Whoosh family got through everything we got at it. Come on. Every single time on monthly map scale. All right, come on. Let's close above 565. Let's go. Let's do every single time song though. I'm gonna like cross my fingers and close my eyes. But here's me hoping like with you guys, with this team, like I can't wait to see if by the end of this year we can be the biggest trading stream there is on the planet. We're growing so fast every single day. We're getting 300 to 400 subs a day. It used to be like I'd get 300 to 400 subs a quarter. It's crazy. So as we keep growing, we keep doing giveaways, keep having some fun time with you guys, give you guys some great market analysis, hopefully. Really appreciate the support. You know, I'm not going to be on the top when I get to the top and be a selfish prick about it and sit there and douse myself in money and make you guys see my life and wish you were me. Not going to be my style. I'm going to get to the top and I'm going to take everything they give me and give it away to you guys as much as I can. I'm going to be a different kind of person running the show when we get to the top, because we're going there. My goal is to give away 1,000 prop accounts a month. How about that? So FundaNext just approved me to give 60 accounts next month when we got 10 last month, which is good. So 60 accounts every month going forward if I sign my deal with them. But it's contingent on them changing their turnover rate to one-day turnaround. I'm gonna tell them that my deal is contingent on that. I can't long-term promote them if they keep that style. 1,000 props a month. I'm gonna give them all to Verbon too when I get them. You guys can just watch them trade them. Bears on top. Should I? Oh wait, no. This isn't. No, this is the account. I can't trade in that one. I can trade in. This one I can trade in. That one's profit locked. Like, hang in there, market. Hang in there. Okay, we've closed. All right, earnings. All right, get ready. Apple will come out 30 minutes later. Amazon first. Market, please don't die today. I got it up on my screen here. Looks like we survived 556 naturally into close. Let's see what we get on the earnings front. So whoever was shorting in the close, whoever came in here was trolling me was short in the close. Hopefully you're right. We'll see. We'll see if the market dies. If you're short and the market dies, it's gonna be a big business for you. I never try to bet the market dies, but we'll see, right? I don't like to bet on it. Amazon's starting to creep into earnings. All right. Holy shit. Well, whoa! Amazon up and down. Holy fuck. Spanning the range there. Hang in there, market. Woo! Dang. Dude, this market's all okay. Good. Amazon's looking all right. Market, please don't die today. Shit, do I want to buy the dip? I never trade after hours like this. Bet the liquidity market holds. Apple's coming up next. Amazon's flat. Dude, I'm not gonna touch this. I'm nervous as shit.
Rockets fast, scooters slow. Will we bounce? Nobody knows.
Amazon, don't die today.
Greater market starts to
It's trying to sell pretty damn hard though.
burn. Even pickle has a look of concern.
What do we think, guys?
Green or red, it's the ways. Trading guys,
Do I buy the dip right on the edge of the market? Do I gamble with one contract on the long side just for fun?
market, please.
On the edge of the like the bet that we don't turn into a bear market tomorrow? I never trade after hours, dude. This is funny. This is one contract like I even care. Leave it. Just set one and forget it. Set and forget it. I never trade after hours. This is, by the way, guys, don't do anything I'm doing. Please don't copy me. I'm just being stupid right now for views. For the love of God, don't do anything I'm doing right now. Please don't copy me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, I do, but this is very risky. Yeah, this song at this time is very hilarious. Yeah. Again, let me repeat. I'm betting that the bear market doesn't collapse. This is the edge of market collapse. This is literally the edge. I'm betting that my bulls are still out there somewhere. This is not a rocket shooter strategy. This is a every single time I still buy the dip until it doesn't work. This song was absolutely made for this moment in time. I should probably be trading micros on this, but save us, Apple. That's a pretty solid span today on 460 to 300, about almost a 200-point rip on NASDAQ. I got tick chart subs so I can watch each of the that Amazon came out super quick. Might as well add one more. No, dude, I'm scared to even hold one. I mean, what's gonna happen? I can lose $2 grand or make $2 grand, whatever. Apple, I don't believe the tariffs are as bad as people think they are for you. Apple got hit pretty hard by the tariffs, yes. But I'm gonna have faith. Usually Apple will hold its earnings for a little bit, so we got some time. With the way that the Nasdaq responded, as crazy as it looks. Let me just put VIX up here so I can watch VIX. Let's keep Nasdaq and watch VIX. Still at 18, okay. Market, please don't die today. We got a couple more songs, let's play them. Here it is, I can just be taking a small little test bet on the edge of oblivion here. But we're like pinpoint accuracy, this is the level. This is the level the market's dead. Tomorrow. If we don't recover this today, it could be a gap and go situation where even after earnings tomorrow we dip and we keep going. Such a key level to hold, and it's not to be downplayed that we're losing it. And again, I like to still take the bet that this doesn't happen, but if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And the day that I'm wrong, I'm out. Where the hell did Discord go? Apple, you are our last hope. All right, let's get some more jams on there. I want to hear some of the other songs you guys submitted. This is, like I said, what I'm doing is an absolute terrible idea. It is on the edge of death. I'm telling death is in like 2-month bear market or 2-week bear market at minimum. No, that's not the one. Hold on. What do we have? Okay. Hang in there, Apple. Damn, just Amazon alone was crazy.
You thought it would bounce, but Vix had other plans. Welcome to the Chop Zone!
Hang in there, Apple. It'd be weird to have a second spanning wave candle like that. So it's up to you guys to believe. Is the bear market in? Tariffs finally had their toll on some of these companies, and now earnings are reflecting the fact that we overpriced these stocks when earnings are reflecting the problems tariff causing companies. Remember, Powell has said something along the lines of he hasn't seen a lot of pass-through of tariff costs onto customers, right? The PMI hasn't shown that. So that means the company is going to be absorbing the tariff impact, which is what you're going to be noticing. Earnings are going to be like worse than normal, but it means inflation's down at the same time, which is good. Or inflation is not as bad. So it's a check or balance. Either we have inflation coming down on the consumer side and companies taking the hit, or vice versa. So we're probably going to see it in the company's reports. Asian session is going to be a deep seller at the open. If we lose 565 on this area or these key levels, yeah, the Asia session's a gap down and trade down. The market's going to absolutely die. So I'll let you guys know. I can't give y'all trading advice. I'm going to tell you 100%. If we are down here by the end of today, I'm not buying any dips tonight. Okay. If today's the end of the end of the bull party today, then it knows that. You guys know I tell you I'm never going to let you miss out. If you're following my stream, and when a bear market's coming, I'll always be the first to know it.
You saw the setup.
And if we lose this, that's it. That's the day.
Context. Volatility. Don't care how clean it looks. Risk is real.
So I had 20 more minutes until Apple. Apple is usually in the last half of the hour. So we got like 20 minutes to hear and jam out the tunes. Yeah, right. Tomorrow, then if we get the bear market today, then Trump tacos tomorrow, and then we get the tariffs, reverse tariff goodbye.
That was an Arby's delight.
As long as VIX below triple B, right, dude? And it's like we're getting there. That's the part that's scary. Let's load it up for y'all. $18.41 is it. Oops. Every single time, some of the time. I can't believe you actually wrote the sum of the song. Every sum of the time. It's like every single time, every sometimes. When I like get my finger on the bottom, like every sometimes. That's funny. That's a good joke, you guys. Y'all are too much. All right, let's get some more jams up here. Mind Over Market, Brian's song. How's this one? Oh, we heard that one already. You heard that one too. Hold on. Matt's magic banana magnet. All right. Did you guys get any take profit in that flash sale? You had a pretty good deal. Every sometimes. All right. Do I even want to be gambling on Apple earnings? I know the whole reason for this. Again, my finger is going to be on the button here. The reason for this is to bet that a bear market is not happening. And if it does, then I'm just bearish tomorrow. It's totally fine. Still had a winning day today. It's totally fine. It's a cool song. We heard that one.
Yo, you're trading random. You're getting chopped up. Where's your edge?
I don't think I've heard this one yet.
No volume, no entry. You're stepping in blind, that's elementary. I see orange lines printed a green zone. This ain't the play, this ain't the time. Work is through the flow, risk defined.
That's a good one too. All right, starting to pick up some steam here. I was excited to hang on to the edge of this zone here. There's no reason to think I'm in any kind of strategic trade other than betting that the bear market doesn't start today. I am taking a very small gamble in an account that's got $50,000 of buffer. One contract to bet that Apple saves the market. That's it. If not, we've got a bear market for 2 weeks from here. This is how precise I am about this calculation. Am I allowed to hold a trade this long? Yeah. You're all in for it, 10 minis, LOL. If we got bear market, then we got bear market. Market dies today, the market dies today. It's totally part of it. And I've had one hell of a run over the last 4 months, 3 months, since April 10th. I made that $50,000 options trade. I made A couple hundred G's in these Tradeify accounts. My personal account's similar. It's just been such a one hell of a bull run. If we lose the bull market today, then we lose it. It's melting right here. Well, it's fun while it lasted. And yeah, so it doesn't mean that tonight I'm buying the dip. If we lose the bull market today, the market's dead for tomorrow. It's dead. That's it. And I don't ever talk about bear market like this. I'm very precise about it. So I had 40 points off of this as my stop. So about 300 is where I'll pull the plug on this. So I'm like right on the edge. If this earnings better happen. Literally nothing's happening except for Amazon dying. I think Amazon's dying, anticipating Apple. What is going on here? Man, Amazon just getting clobbered. Not really even that bad though. 10 out of 20. 235 to 222, 13 out of that. 5%? Less than 5%. The tariff is the worldwide is already priced in. I think so, yeah. Yeah, Apple's coming in a little bit. You are correct. Amazon just absolutely getting dumped on. I never trade like this, guys, by the way, which is why I'm just taking very small risk, one account, not even really caring. This account actually was up $1,300 for the day, so this account is actually now flat at 0. The only reason I'm doing this is just to bet that we don't turn bearish, and if we do, we do. And I can't control that, but at least I'll know for tomorrow. I'm going to sit out tonight, let the market die. Y'all remember this song? We need to keep 465. No, this is one of my Tradeify straight to fundeds. It's the one that's got $53,000 of buffer in it. Oh shit, I didn't mean to close that out. Look, damn it. My fucking twitchy hands. I accidentally hit the exit button. Oh my god. Oops. Can we panic now? It's getting close to panic time. Am I a salesman? Yeah, I'm a really, I go door to door selling Bibles. Can't you tell from the song? Thanks for giving me a view on the stream. You're really helping me become the #1 streamer on YouTube, though. There's a position on the screen. You see that? It's a bit. What's up?
Okay, bye.
Hold on. Couches. On. All right. All right. All right, Apple, what do you guys think? I didn't mean to actually close out earlier. My damn twitchy fingers accidentally clicked the exit button, so I had to jump back in. This account is up $224 right now for the day, so it's actually flat at 0. Matt will have to hold a long time. I know I roll right. One contract, that's it, and then I'll liquidate if it just drops. Remember, I never bet on the bear market. I never bet on the death of the market, but if it dies, it dies. I've been known to take really risky bets on the edge of oblivion, like risky ones. This is not risky at all. This is a baby bet. Baby bet today. And it's a straight to fun. I'm not touching anything in my real account at all. Nothing in anything that matters. Just to keep you guys on and entertain y'all while we're watching and chilling. Thank you for staying today. Yeah, of course, Julian, no problem, man. Matt living on the edge, probably right. If it flies, it dies. There you go. Hold your beer for port. Yeah, today could be the start of the bear market, you guys, so. Amazon was pretty gnarly. And I think a lot of it was also sparked by the fact that people were selling off everything anyways. Amazon did spike really big and then immediately sold off. So a little stop sweep there. Amazon goes bloop and then bloop. I thought Amazon was actually supposed to do good, but it did worse than I thought. I thought the report was supposed to be good. But maybe I don't have the right information on that. Copy trade my TopStep accounts. You couldn't pay me to open TopStep X at this point. I've sworn it off. Can I pull up financial juice? Yeah, what's up? What's up? Trump's stalking right now? Trump, save us! We just made a couple of trade deals a little while ago. Okay, good. This is what I want to see. I want to see Trump come in for the win. Amazon quarterly earnings. Oh, here it is. Yeah. There you go. The earnings beat estimates. 168 over 133. Net sales beat estimates. North American net sales beat estimates, which is very important for tariffs. AWS was a big portion of that. Obviously, that beat expectations. Physical stores went up. Everything went up on Amazon. Yeah, everything was great. I guess people use that opportunity to finally unload their shares. That was a really good report, right? Donald Pump, save us. Save us, Donald. All right. I've never streamed this long. This is the longest stream day I've ever had. This is awesome, dude. Oh, Tech, you made this sound like red. I just read your comment. We've got a Breaking Benjamin sounding AI bot. This is dope. That's cool, dude. This is a really nice, this is a good song. Wow, dude, who is this band? I'd go see him in live in concert. Can y'all believe this is AI? This is so good. Oh, this is red straight up, dude. To the bottom in 2 minutes, yup. Yeah, like, how did you prompt him to make it sound like red, dude? That's dope. The whole verse chorus style, that's exactly how their songs are. It's like melodic and then he screams. Maybe I'm wrong, but it's always from the right place. God, that's so good. That is so good, man. I would like listen to this shit on the radio, dude. Hang on, bull market. Wow, I want a whole album of this, dude. Let's listen to it again. Come on, hold that 465. Let's go. Apple and Amazon both beat expectations today. You listen to Red and Skill in high school? Dude, it's like... This is college time for me. My buddy and I used to go travel around and go see Nothing More all the time. If you ever listen to them, they're from San Antonio. Same sound. Breaking Benjamin, Evans Blue, Red. That was like me after college. This song is really good, dude. Like, honestly, I would jam out to this band all day long. And the chorus is really good because it's Matt's sayings. What's funny is that even if you didn't know this was a trading song, the lyrics are pretty dope in a general sense. Like, maybe I'm wrong from the right place. Sounds like an apology song, you know, like, I'm sorry, but my heart comes from the right place or whatever. Are we gonna get it? I was betting on something better. Apple's pulling back into the close here. This account has essentially got $200 of realized profit on top of this, so this one's up 600 bucks. Oh, I get a close on that little pop there. I just held to see what was going to happen. Wow. Maybe I'm wrong. Trading from the bottom of the heart. Yeah, exactly. All right, guys. Well, I'm starting to get tired. Time to go to the gym. Call it a day. I don't think Apple's going to be moving from here. The market is like right on the edge of this, man. I can just take the 400 bucks and call it. I was hoping for something much better. I'm going to call it. We didn't get it, guys. This is dangerous. I don't think we got it. No, the smooth jazz, yeah. You guys can hang out. I'm probably gonna go chill. I'm getting a little tired, but I'm gonna go to the gym and everything and kind of like perk up. But this is pretty bad for tomorrow. Again, if we open, be very careful that we're not gapping down and trading down. This is usually what happens when you jump into bear liquid. I told you guys when it's gonna happen on boot camp this time. I wouldn't let you not know about it. I don't think Wall Street's happy with what we've got. You see where we close, and I tell you guys, this is usually a reversal signal. It's right on the edge. If we open and start trading higher tomorrow, we're good. If we open below 565, for the most part, it's pretty bad. Now, let's show you S&P really quick before I close out. S&P is still kind of okay. It's S&P that sets the tone of a bear market, not necessarily QQQ. So be careful. S&P is only 10 points away, or 20 points away for tomorrow. If we gap down 20 or 30 points into tomorrow's open, get ready for it. It's going to be another open and dump day. All right, guys. I'm outie. I love y'all. Thanks for tuning in. It was a good run, and the bull market was great while we had it. This might be the end for now. All right, got to see you guys later.